What is up, guys? Today with another video. Hope you subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Today I'm playing Subway Surfers, the new one, the Mexico one. So this is my first time playing this game. Okay, so let's get started. So it's loading. And if and I want you to subscribe to my 3 and 4. My friend's YouTube channel is gonna be linked down below. It's JC Logan Gaming with Omar Labra and Little Chill BX the Gamer. So right now we're starting the game. So let's get started. Let's tap. Play this help because I'm good at this game. Why doesn't let me go down? Right now my tablet is glitching. It's lagging. Oh my god. Finally it works. So double tap for hoverboard. I already know how to play this. Right now let's get a DC. So right now, if y'all could tell that I'm good at this game. Oh. So right now I'm gonna play another game. But right now I'm gonna play Temple Run. So this is my favorite game. I think this is gonna be a 3-minute game. So if y'all want this game, just go to the Play Store and write Temple Run 2. It's gonna come out. This is a good game. Y'all should have it. These are my accounts that just popped out. And I only got 3 videos. I want y'all to subscribe. And subscribe to my boy Omar because he only has 12 subscribers. I want them to get bigger. I want them to get bigger by a camera. So link down below what game should I play, guys. This is gonna be my gaming YouTube channel. Now, I named it Duran Padilla, but I meant to name it Gaming with Duran Padilla. So right now it's loading. It might take a long time. Right now I got headset on. It's loading so we can play. So if you don't know how to play this game, I'm gonna show you how to play. So right now we're starting. So to play we need to tap play. So if y'all could tell that this is my favorite game. Brand new. Oh wait, I forgot. This is how you move, guys. And I recommend playing this game because one time I got a high score on this game. This game is the best. Right now I'm leveling up. Oh. So I deleted all my games, and if y'all like my back screen, so if y'all like my back screen, or if y'all want me to switch my back screen, if y'all don't like the back screen, tell me to switch it. So I could put another, if you want to put your favorite basketball player, your favorite YouTuber, anything. My favorite YouTuber is Logan Paul. And like I feel that he's the best YouTuber because he's my favorite YouTuber. Right now I'm recommending Getting Disguised. Oh my god. So guys, I hope you subscribe, and this is done for the video, so comment down below.